Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of my friend's 1966 Ford Mustang. She was a 6-cylinder car, but now has a 351 fitted. No rust on the car whatsoever. Underneath is absolutely lovely. Paintwork leaves a lot to be desired, which is I can't say a little bit rat roddy, but it's a kind of a little bit of a worn look, and it seems to suit the car. It works quite well. But if you wanted to do the paintwork and things, then obviously that's a factor. She's sitting on 2005 Mustang halibrand style wheels. She's got new fuel tank, new wiring, loads and loads of new bits. Starts on the button, as you'll see in a little while, but I'll show you around the car and show you all the bits and pieces. So front wing here, really nice. You can see the wear on the paint there, and the front wheel there. Coming along the passenger side, all the panels seem to line up not too bad. I mean, they were never brilliant from the factory in the first place. Like I say, I mean, there's paint missing here, and you can see the metal's just lovely. And there's the roof of the car. I'll show you from this side and the other side. I'll try and show you as much of the car as possible. I mean, he's been running around in it and just having a bit of fun with it. It's just because it's just cool. It's just a cool car. It's one of those things you can kind of use it, spend a little bit of time doing bits and pieces to it, or you could, if you wanted to, put it back to perfection and have all the bodywork done. Probably a couple of grand, you'd be there. Well, not far off anyway. I love the way it sits on these wheels. And the rear wheel there. There's no point in kind of going around and going, oh look, there's a scratch here or a mark there, because it's kind of covered. That's how it is. It's the kind of look, that patina of the car. A couple of little small dents in the roof there, to do with being pulled out. We've got a tiny chip in the windscreen. Nothing major, and it looks like it's been filled anyway. And the bonnet's removable with bonnet pins, as I'll show you in a minute. And the front wheel there. It's got all new brakes. There's loads of new suspension components as well. All the chrome has been painted satin silver, which looks really good. Like I say, I really kind of love the sort of rugged look of this car. It's just, like I say, it's just cool. Everywhere you go, people just look at it and go, what a cool car. Inside, this upholstery is all really nice. Got the wooden steering wheel in there. All the gauges. Dash tops, perhaps a little bit tired, as you can see on there. Carpets are nice and clean. Rear seat's all okay. I mean, the advantage of Mustangs is you can buy absolutely everything. They're like MGBs, except the parts are cheaper than MGBs. I mean, new front bumper's $90. And they're just ridiculous. Driver's door. Come round and have a look in the passenger side. The headlining just coming away here, just wants refastening on. You can see that there. Like I say, I'm not making any qualms about this car. It is what it is. But like I say, she starts on the button. And she sounds like that. proper cool. And then here we are, the bonnet's completely removable, as I said. And she's lovely and clean under here. Look at that. Man, that's so sweet. See, look, even the shock absorber's all new. I say, there's loads and loads of new parts on this car. And there we have it. That's our video review of our 1966 Ford Mustang, or my friend's 1966 Ford Mustang. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.